In this video, we are going to discuss projections of a cone, resting with a point of base on HP, axis inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Let us see a problem. A cone of base diameter 40 mm, and axis 60 mm, is standing on the ground, with its base inclined at 60 degrees to the HP, and axis parallel to VP. Draw the plan and elevation of the cone. In this problem, the base of the cone is inclined to HP, so the axis also will be inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So, the first stage of plan and elevation is to be drawn, by assuming that the axis of the cone is perpendicular to HP. Then the base shape of the cone, which is a circle, can be seen in the plan. Draw the XY line. Draw a circle of radius 20 mm, below the XY line, as the plan of the cone. Since a circle does not have any base edges or base corners, divide the circle into 8 equal parts and name those points as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Project the center of the circle, above the XY line. From the XY line, mark height of the cone 60 mm, on the axis. Let the end point of the axis in the elevation be O'. This is the apex point or vertex point. Project all the points of plan, up to the XY line. Mark these corresponding points in the elevation as 1', 2', 3', 4', 5', 6', 7', and 8'. A cone does not have any triangular faces or slant edges. So, the extreme end generators alone must be drawn dark. These are the projections of the cone, with the condition axis perpendicular to HP, and parallel to VP. The base is given as 60 degrees inclined to the HP. So the elevation, which we have drawn in the first stage, should be tilted for the given angle. Draw a 60 degrees line. Mark the base length 40 mm on this. Mark all the points of base on it. In a compass, measure the length of generator, 1', O'. Cut an arc from the 60 degrees inclined line. Measure the other generator, 5', O'. Both these generators will have the same length. Cut an arc from the other endpoint, of the 60 degrees inclined line. This intersection point of arcs, is the apex point or vertex point of the cone, O'. To draw the second stage plan, or final plan, project all the points from the base and apex point. Project all the points of the first stage plan, horizontally. Mark the corresponding points of intersection. The circular base can be seen as an ellipse in the plan. That itself, only the outer half will be visible. The inner half is invisible, hence should be drawn as dotted. Draw the extreme generators, as lines connecting the apex point O and a tangential point of the ellipse. Thus the projections of the cone, with base inclined to HP and axis parallel to VP, are drawn. Mark the required dimensions.